Hi students. First வரது question display screen. So questions பார்த்து நீங்களாவே அந்த particular question கான answer try to do it yourself. And then comes the solution screen. Solution என்ன அதை எப்படி proceed பண்ணுன்றதுக்கான explanation video formatல it would have been given. So உங்களோட answer correctா இல்லையான்றதை you can check with that. Case study number 5. Pause the video, try to answer out the question and proceed for the next question. Questions 2 and 3 are here. Pause, answer, and then proceed for the next question. Question number 4 and 5 are here. Try to answer out and then check out for the final solutions. In this fifth case study, Ashish supplies bread and jams to hospital and a school. And in the condition, bread and jam are supplied in equal number of pieces. That is, one piece bread and one piece jam should be supplied. So, bread it comes in a bunch of 8 pieces. That is, bread packets. Okay. And each packet has got 8 pieces. Adhe mari, or jam packet or bunch you can take. And each packet has got 6 pieces of jam in it. So, in the particular combination, Ashish eppadi supply pandrarna X packets of bread and Y packets of jam to the school. So, school ku he is supplying X packets of bread and Y packets of jam. Adhe hospital ku he is supplying 3X packets and also an equivalent number of jam packets. That 3X packets of bread la ethana pieces of bread irukumo, same number of pieces of jam irukra mari number of packets of jam he has to supply. Okay. So, inga question enna, how many students are there in the school? Avanga kuduthirukka condition enna, it is known that number of students are between 500 and 550. So, idhula eppadi proceed pannalaana, bread வந்து 8 pieces and jam வந்து 6 pieces in one set இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. So, இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பருக்கான LCM. So, LCM of 8 and 6. What is it, ma? It is 24. So, the least common multiple 24. 24 pieces of bread supply பண்ணலாம் and 24 pieces of jam supply பண்ணலாம் at the same time. எப்படி? Bread வந்து மொத்தம் 3 packets கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா 3 into 8 totally 24 pieces of bread supply agum. Adhe time for each 3 packets of bread they can supply 4 packets of jam. Okay. So 6 4 times 24. So adaliyum 24 pieces of jam kadaikum. So at the same time he can supply 3 packets of bread and 4 packets of jam. Thereby he is supplying 24 pieces of each. This is the minimum number, the least common multiple for these two. So, in the minimum common number in the 24 multiples he can supply the pieces. So, each piece pair is given to each student of that school. In that case, 24 multiples and the school strength varanum. So, 500 ku மேல இருக்கக்கூடிய 24 multiple என்னன்னு we have to find. So, simple. I am going to divide 500 by 24. So, I get 2 times 48, 20. இங்க 20 க்கு பதிலா ஒரு plus 4 இருந்திருந்ததுனா 24 வந்திருந்ததுனா then 21 times எடுத்திருப்போம். கரெக்ட்டா? So which is the least common multiple? 24. அதனுடைய multiple என்ன? Which lies above 500? The first one is what? 504. அப்ப 504 க்கு அடுத்த multiple என்னவாமா இருக்கும்? It will be 528. இதுக்கும் அடுத்த multiple, it will be greater than 550. So, these are the two multiples of 24 which lie between 500 and 550. இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பருக்கும் நடுவுல இருக்கிறது. So, இதுல எந்த combination is present பாருங்க. 528 is not there at all in the set of options given to you. 504 தான் இருக்கு. So, answer is subdivision B which is 504. So, this is the student strength in that school. அப்ப எவ்வளவு supply பண்றாங்கம்மா? 504 pieces of each. அப்ப 504 pieces supply பண்றாங்கன்னா எத்தனை bread packets? X இருக்கு இல்லையா? How is it you can find? In one packet you have got 8 pieces na, but totally 504 pieces are being supplied to that school. Appa 504 divided by 8 you have to proceed in order to find the bread packets. Adhe 504 divided by 6 panna you can get the number of jam packets. So on the scenario that it comes out in your next question. What is it? How many packets of bread are supplied to the school? So just now 504 is the student strength in Patham. So in the 504 when you divide by 8, that is number of pieces per packet, you are getting 63. So 63 packets of bread he will be issuing to that school. So the answer is option A. Adhe mari, adhe 50 pieces of jam has been issued na, per packet 6 pieces irukku. அப்போ மொத்தம் எத்தனை divide பண்ணீங்கன்னா you're getting the answer as 84. So 84 packets of jam is being supplied to that school. Question number 4 பார்த்தீங்கன்னா how many packets of bread are supplied in the hospital? ரொம்ப simple. இப்பதான் நம்ம x என்னன்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சோம். It was 63 packets of bread இல்லையா? And y என்னன்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சோம். It was 84 packets of jam. Right? So, in the scenario, question என்ன கொடுத்திருந்தாங்கம்மா? ஹாஸ்பிட்டலுக்கு எத்தனை சப்ளை பண்ணாங்க? 3x ன்னு கொடுத்திருந்தாங்க. கரெக்டா? 3x packets were issued. 3x na 3 into 63 which is nothing but equal to 189 packets of bread. Okay. So, இத்தனை packets issue பண்றாங்கன்னு சொன்னா மொத்தம் எத்தனை pieces இருந்திருக்கணும்? Right? So, that is required in order to find the answer for the fifth one. இப்போ 189 packets of bread. Option A I have marked it out. இப்போ questionல number of packets of jam என்னன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. So முதல்ல எத்தனை pieces of bread issue பண்ணிருக்கோம்னு தெரிஞ்சதுனா தான் நம்ம jam packets நம்ம calculate பண்ண முடியும். எத்தனை pieces has been issued? In the 189 packets of bread லையும் each packet has got 8 pieces. So this is the number of pieces of bread issued. Either if you divide it by 6, you will get the exact number of packets of jam which has been issued. So either simplify pannona, you can see 2 4 times, 2 3 times, 3 here it will be 63. So 63 into 4, you will be getting it as 252 jam packets. So 252 packets is nothing but option B. So the answer is option B for this one. In the video useful ah irundirukum nenikiren. For further case studies, just check out for the playlist. All the best students.